As we're getting word that federal prosecutors now, in a new thing, are investigating whether President Trump's inaugural committee misspent some of the $107 million in donations and whether top donors gave money so that they could gain influence in the upcoming administration. That is strictly prohibited. That's according to the reporting of the Wall Street Journal as well. The parent company of the Journal and our parent company share common ownership. Part of the article reads, giving money in exchange for political favors could run afoul of federal corruption laws. Diverting funds from the organization, which was registered as a nonprofit, could also violate federal law. Here's the response from the White House.
That doesn't have anything to do with the president or the first lady. The biggest thing the president did in his engagement in the inauguration was to come here and raise his hand and take the oath of office. The president was focused on the transition during that time and not on any of the planning.
The Journal notes the special counsel Robert Mueller is looking into whether any foreign money flowed into the inaugural fund, which is also not allowed.